Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the language settings in Google Chrome quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings. In the left-hand panel, click on Languages. Under Languages, you will see a list of the currently added languages. To add a new language, click on Add Languages. Search or scroll through the list to find the language you want to add, and then click the checkbox next to it. Once selected, press Add. To make it the default language, click on the three dots next to the language you added and select Display Google Chrome in this language. Chrome will prompt you to restart the browser. Click Relaunch for the changes to take effect. And that's it. Now you know how to change the language in Google Chrome.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.